Imagine waking up in 2035. No passwords, no USB cables, no plastic cards. Sounds crazy? Not really. In the next 10 years, the tech you use every day is going to disappear and be replaced with smarter, faster, and sometimes scarier alternatives. Let's break down the 10 technologies that are dying and what's taking their place. Stay tuned. Number 1 will blow your mind. 10. USB ports. Remember the days of carrying USB sticks everywhere? USB-A ports are already vanishing from newer laptops. Thanks to cloud storage, Bluetooth, wireless charging, and AirDrop, we're moving into a portless world. The future? Fully wireless everything, even data transfer and charging. 9. Tucker 9. Physical SIM cards. That tiny chip inside your phone going extinct. eSIMs are already rolling out globally. No more swapping SIM cards when you travel or upgrade. Just scan a QR code and boom, new carrier. It's cheaper, faster, and more secure. The future is digital. 8. Circ 8. Cash and wallets. Physical cash is on life support. With Apple Pay, Google Wallet, crypto, and Tap to Pay everywhere, the need for cash, and even wallets, is fading. Expect biometric payments, like scanning your palm or face, to take over completely by 2035. 7. Nutcher 7. Passwords. How many passwords do you have saved? The average person has over 100, but they're becoming obsolete. Thanks to passkeys, face unlock, and fingerprint sensors, passwords will be replaced with biometric authentication and AI-based trust systems. Safer, faster. No forgot password nightmares. Yugs, Her 6. TV remotes say goodbye to losing the remote between the couch cushions. Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are turning your voice into the new remote control. Plus, smart home apps let you control everything from your phone. Even your gestures and eye movements might control screens in the near future. 4. Gear 5. Car keys. Physical keys are already fading. New cars from Tesla, BMW, and Hyundai let you unlock, start, and even park your car with your phone. Ultra-wideband tech and biometric locks will make physical keys a thing of the past. 4. Shaker 4. Traditional laptops. Laptops as we know them are evolving fast. With foldable screens, AI co-pilots, voice-first systems, and cloud-based everything, we might ditch the bulky designs for flexible, touch-optimized workspaces. Some experts even say AR glasses will replace laptops altogether. 3. Mitzer 3. External hard drives. Why store data locally when the cloud is safer, cheaper, and always available? External drives are dying out as cloud storage and remote servers offer better access, security, and collaboration tools. 2. Sure 2. Plastic ID and credit cards. Plastic is becoming a problem, environmentally and practically. Digital IDs, app-based credit cards, and biometric scans are taking over. You'll soon verify your identity with just a face scan or a fingerprint, even at airports and banks. Mirror 1, smartphone screens. Crazy, right? But hear this. Screens might not be the future. Neural interfaces, AR glasses, holograms, and even brain-computer links, like Neuralink, could make phones feel ancient. Imagine interacting with your apps, using your thoughts. Which of these shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. Technology is changing fast, and if you blink, you might miss it. Subscribe to Quick Nerd for more smart tech explained fast, in under 10 minutes. The future is closer than you think.